guys, it's Sunday around 11 o'clock. I just finished filming my video that I was supposed to do yesterday, but I woke up with a huge welt on my forehead, so yeah, that was fun. I'm gonna go edit this and get this up. I had so much fun creating it, and I really love how my makeup turned out, which is awesome. I just was a little worried with that much powder and that many layers that I wouldn't like it, but I really do actually love how it came out. So shout out to Patrick. So yeah, the rest of the day I'm gonna be editing, getting this up, and that's really my plan. So I will see you guys soon. Every day. Go ahead, come in mommy's little crevice. Come. Go ahead, get comfy, as usual. I swear he does this every day. I can't stand it. I swear I can't stand it.
And you just want to smack this out of your face. Yes!
I got my nails done this morning, bright orange. And I just got off a video call, but I'm so excited because tomorrow I'm doing Drew Barrymore's makeup. I'm literally freaking out. I'm trying not to think about it because when I think about things, I hype myself out and I freak out and I have anxiety. Like, I have the worst anxiety ever when it comes to basically leaving my house. So that's tomorrow. I'm super excited. I can't wait to meet her. She was one of my favorite actresses growing up. Like, every movie that she made, I saw and I was obsessed with. I'm gonna be using products from her makeup line, which is Flower Beauty. I want her to love it and I want it to go well. So this is my first ever collab with someone that's not like family or friends. So I'm nervous, but I'm stepping outside of my comfort zone, because when you do things out of your comfort zone, that is when you grow as a person, and I know that, but it's hard to take your own advice sometimes. And for me, I've known this, and I've had a lot of fears that have held me back through the years, and a lot of amazing opportunities that I missed out on because I was scared. And this year, I'm all about growing and pushing myself to all the boundaries possible, because I can't live in fear anymore. And I know once it's over, just like anything else, once it's over, I'm gonna be so happy that I did it. And how could I turn down the opportunity to meet Drew Barrymore? She is amazing, and I mean, I don't know her personally, but just from her movies, I feel like your true self shows through some of your characters in your movies, and I just think we're gonna have so much fun, and I think it's gonna be an amazing time. So, yay! I can't wait! So that's tomorrow, and then I come home, and then on Wednesday, I go in. She's having a meetup at Ulta, so I'm showing up at the end of her meetup to do some photos and stuff with her, and then we have a dinner, and I wasn't sure if I was able to talk about it, so that's why I didn't mention it before today, but I talked to my manager, and he said, yeah, like, talk about it, why not? So letting you guys know. So I'm gonna vlog a little bit of it, obviously, but I will be filming it and getting it up as soon as possible, so I can't wait. I got a big box of all of her products, so I've been playing with them all weekend, and I really love a lot of them, so I'm super excited that A, I was introduced to these products, and B, I'll get to use them on Drew. So the thing that I'm a little bit nervous about is I know she's such a natural beauty, and she doesn't wear a lot of makeup, and I'm the type of person where I love a natural look, of course, but I also love like a heavy full coverage look. So although I'm supposed to prepare it all beforehand, I'm gonna bring a lot of the products, and I'm gonna kind of talk to her and feel her out, because sometimes people that are natural all the time want to try something out of their comfort zone and want to try something different. So I'm torn between what I'm gonna do on her, but I want her to love it, obviously. So I just can't believe I'm actually gonna be collabing with someone for the first time, and that it's Drew Barrymore of all people. Like, this is super exciting for me. I hope she likes me. I'm nervous, but I think it's gonna go really well, so I just wanted to fill you guys in. Oh, you see Chai sitting like that and you want to be like her? That's so cute. Good morning, Chai. I walk out of my room, it's 8 a.m. and I find my children. Look at you, pretty girl. Sassy and shit. 8 a.m. Chai, are you hungry? Are you hungry, girl? You guys, I'm freaking out. I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know why I'm like always so stressed about everything, but I'm really, really excited to meet her, and I know it's gonna go really well, and I know she's gonna love her makeup. I just never really do things that are outside of my comfort zone, like I've mentioned before, so I have so much stuff that I'm bringing with me, and I got some goodies for she has 2 daughters, so I put together 2 little goodie bags for them. I figured it would be nice to get them some gifts. I don't know if they're gonna be there or not. So yeah, I'm getting ready to leave in like 10 minutes. I'm waiting for the car service to get me. Wish me luck. But
look how perfect.
Look how cute. I love it.
Wish I was walking a red carpet right now with this makeup.
You gotta go on a,
Will you do my makeup for a red carpet or an event or anything? Would I ever?
I would be honored. I'll fly anywhere in the world for you.
I'll fly to you. Okay, good. No, I'm serious.
Yeah, but thank you so much for coming on my channel
Thank
today.
you,
I had so much fun.
I love sisterhood, and this was just fun and inspiring, and I truly do wish I could go do a catwalk right now.
We're gonna find you one. We'll make some calls.
You hold it?
You looked really cute from like here up, as usual. Then, and the shoes and everything.
It's like
we're killing it.
It's like as if we worked at a desk, but really underneath the desk.
Sometimes just underwear.
Yeah,
Sometimes no pants.
Totally comfortable.
Pants are optional. Hey guys, it's Wednesday around 4:30. Me and my sister are heading back into the city for a meetup at Ulta. Drew is having a meetup there, so we are going for the end of it, and then we are all doing dinner, which I'm so excited about. So as soon as I got home yesterday, I showered and I like went to sleep. I was so tired. It was such a long day, but it was so much fun getting to meet her. I can't wait to show you guys the video. We had such a good time, and I'm excited I get to see her again today. So this is what I'm wearing. My room's a mess. And we're leaving now, so see you later. Yay! Yay! She's coming with me today. I was all alone yesterday. Oh! You look so small, like come closer. But you have to bend down because you're too tall. So what color are you wearing on your lips, do you know?
Melon Pop.
Melon Pop from Flower Beauty. And I'm wearing Spiced Petal on the lips.
It looks very spicy.
Yours looks very spicy.
You're Melanie.
Melanie.
Poppy.
Ooh.
Like a melon pop.
Ooh. Alright, we have to go. We're running late. Bye! I love that color on you.
I love it on you.
What did you just say?
Do I have lipstick on my teeth?
No, I don't think I see any.
I know.
Oh my god, man, no, look. Look at it. Just pulling up.
I'll walk inside. Okay?
Yeah, I'll get out the other side.
I'll walk inside.
Alright, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Oh, you look amazing. Thanks, Paul.
Thanks,
I'll
see you
text
later.
you.
How are you?
How are you?
You too.
This is Amanda.
Hi, I'm Amanda. Nice to meet you. She's so cute.
Guess what I'm wearing?
Oh my god, it looks so good on you. I swear I almost wore
Inspired
it.
by you. Oh, thank you. You look so gorgeous.
I love your earrings.
Did you see I posted this morning?
I saw. I know, I was so excited.
So stunning. I know how to do the earrings. When I be in your hands again for makeup. Oh, I'm dead serious. You duh.
Oh my god, you're the sweetest. I had so much fun and I watched it.
I really like them more than normal. Like, they said, well, I'm not kidding. I literally did. I was like, and Blanche is, she's no chump. Yeah, she was like, I like it. I know.
I love it. I'm wearing Spiced Petal.
Just go like this.
Oh.
Yes.
Got it. I love this moment. To tell you about the shoot yesterday. It's so amazing. I heard. I I saw there's like 2 hours of footage. She was like fast forwarding through some of it. I'm like, I have to see this.
Sweetheart, like they had amazing chemistry. No, I can't wait. I can't wait. And you look so fabulous, by the way.
And she said she learned how to do her makeup watching your videos. She told me specifically not to do this and embarrass her.
Oh, well, you got it right. So we're here at the event. Just got home. I have my babies, so I'm happy. Right? Did you miss your mommy? Hmm? Did you miss your mommy? Psst. Come here, my little grandma. Good morning, guys. It is 9 a.m. Yesterday I had to go back into the city. I think I already talked to you guys and told you that for Drew's event and then dinner, and it was such a good time and I love her so much. Like, such an amazing experience. So I'm actually on my way to go close on my house, and then I'm gonna go home and finish editing up this vlog for you guys. But I just wanted to come on here and say good morning and thank you for being patient on my late upload. You know, I was just hanging out with Drew Barrymore, like no big deal. But I'm so excited to close on my house. It's like not real yet. I am on my way there now, and then yeah, the next time you see me I will be a proud owner of a new house. You guys, the cutest thing just happened. I got out of the car and there's this cute, precious little old man, and he was like, is that a V6 or a V8? And I genuinely don't know. Like, I know it's an SRT. I don't know. I was like, I think a V8, like that sounds better, right? And he was like, well, it sounds like it. And then he was looking at me, he's like, you are so beautiful. I was like, oh, thank you. And he's like, you should be a model. I don't know, that just made my day. Sweet man, I love him. I love nice people. It's so nice when people just give a compliment without expecting anything in return, you know? Sweet, sweet man. Compliment somebody today. I'm sure you will make their day because he just made my day, so love you guys. Oh my God, there's some sort of fire. Ooh, that's bad. Holy shit.
It's like insane. I've never seen a fire, like a bus fire like that.
Oh my God. Shit. It's official. Yay. Yay for new beginnings. So excited for this next chapter in my life. Love you guys. So this will probably conclude my vlog. I'm just gonna keep vlogging and until you guys get sick of me, then I'll stop vlogging. But I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and until my next video.